Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this new box of Johnny Lightnings I recently bought. It's the Johnny Lightning Collector Assortment 2020 Release 2, 6 pieces. I already pre-opened the box. And let's have a look inside. Here are the cars with the collector tins, as you can see. And let's take them out and have a short look at them in the package. The first one is this Pontiac Firebird from 1967. As you can see, it's number 1, version A, with a nice tin. And there's the car. You can see it's only one of 3,340 pieces. And there's the package. Storage tin collector series. There you have the back side, the number. There are some other series. And there are the ones in this set, in this box. So let's have a look again at the model. Very nice Firebird. Nice front. There's a little bit too much space between the wheel and the fender. But these are older castings from Johnny Lightning. And there you have the back side. Black roof. And metal base, rubber tires. There you have your tin storage case. So let's have a look at the other one. And there is the red version, burgundy. There's the tin, and there's your car. Back side. As I say, a little bit too much space between the wheels and the fenders. But it's still a nice model. Okay, the next one. And that's a nice one, I think. It's a 1963 Cheetah. And I do like this car. Is it the best casting? I don't know, but it's quite alright. But I like the numbers on it. Red version, also 3,340 pieces. There's your back side. Nice stripe on top. And I do like this model. Okay, the next one. And for me that's the best color. That's also the 63 Cheetah. And for me this is the best one. The color combination. the grey with the red stripes. There you have your box, your tin box. And this is version B. Very nice. I do have a 1/43 scale model of this one from Spark, and that one is much better. But nice example. Let's have a look at the next one. And yes, there you have our White Lightning. And this is the 1995 Chevy Corvette ZR1. And the normal color should be black. But this is the plain opposite. It's pearl white for a White Lightning. Very nice. Golden rims. Your typical Corvette backside with the round tail lights. Same issue here with the wheel, with the gap between the wheel and the fenders. It's a little bit too big, but I don't complain with a White Lightning. There's the package. And the last one, the second color. And there you have a nice bright aqua poly. There you have the tin box. Back side of the car. This could be two-piece wheels. I'm not sure if these are rubber tires. Could be plastic two-piece wheels. But they look alright. Nice piece. And they are all 3,340 pieces. So that's my review. Which one do you like the best? Like to hear your comments. And what do you think of this set of cars? Thank you for watching. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.